Hello. In this lecture, I will teach about comparison operators, which are the operators used for comparing values and will return true or false. If the compared value is true, the result will be evaluated as true. If the compared value turns out as being not true, false will be returned. Comparison operators are equality, inequality, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. I will give an example by declaring two variables to make a comparison. Then use console.writeLine, bracket, quotation mark, result, colon, to compare number A and number B by using the first operator, which is equality. Number A equals number B. Then press the F5 key. The result is true. It means that number A is equal to number B. If we change number A to 11, run the program. You'll find that return is false. Okay, this is equality. Let's try inequality. It's easy. Run the program. The result is false because number A and number B are equal. In this case, we use inequality, so the result is false. Next, less than, and run. You'll see that it's false because number A and number B are equal. If we change number A to 9, the result has to be displayed as true. See? Then moving to the next operator, greater than, and run. It should be false. Correct. If I change it to 11, it should be true because it's greater. Okay. Then turning to more complicated operators, the two operators are less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. Starting with this one. Here is less than or equal to. It has to be false because 11 is greater than 10. It is false. Change 11 to 10 and it must be true because it's equal to 10. This operator has both less than and equal to. If any conditions are met, the result will be true. Try changing to a number that is less. It will also be true even if it's not equal to the other number, because it meets the less than condition. Next, the last one, greater than or equal to. It has to be false. See, because number A is less than number B. If we change to 10, it must be true because this op can be either greater than or equal to, even if it's not greater. The result is true. You see? Change it to the greater number so you can get the clearer picture, 100. In this case, it has to be true too. True. In this lecture, I explained about comparing numeric values. In the following lecture, we will experience the strings comparison. I will end this lecture here. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.